Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to solve this simple problem, 2x plus y all to power 5, and we want to use Pascal's triangle. Thereafter we are going to use our expansion to evaluate 2.5 to the power of 5. So let's start by expanding 2x plus y to the power of 5 using Pascal's triangle. And the first thing I'm going to do is to write or to construct the Pascal's triangle, and I want to begin with 1, 2, 1. So let's start with 1, 2, 1. This is just to get the coefficients. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, then 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so these are going to be the coefficients of our expansion. Okay, so you just want to note them. And after noting them, the next thing we are going to do is to introduce now our terms without coefficients. And we have two terms, 2x plus y. So the first term, going to take the first term, 2x, to the power of 5 multiplied by y to the power of 0. Then we add 2x, we reduce the power now downwards for 2x. Okay, so that is going to be 2x now to the power of 4, y to the power of 1. Then we add 2x to the power of 3, y to the power of 2. And then we add 2x to the power of 2, y to the power of 3. And then we add 2x to the power of 1, y to the power of 4. And finally, 2x to the power of 0, y to the power of 5. So you notice that 2x, for 2x, the powers are reducing from 5 steadily to 0, while for y, it's increasing from 0 to 1 all the way to 5. So we can simplify this and say, well, 2x to the power of 5 is the same as 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by x to the power of 5, and 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So that is going to be 32x to the power of 5, and y to the power of 0 is the same as 1. So 32 multiplied by 1 is the same as 32 x to the power of 5. So I'm going to go to the next term. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So that is going to be 16x power 4 multiplied by y power 1, which is the same as y. And then we add 2 power 3 is 8. So that is 8x power 3, y power 2. Then we add 2 power 2 is 4. So that is 4x power 2, y power 3. Plus 2 power 1 is 2. So that is 2x power 1, which is the same as 2x, but y is now power 4. And then the last one is 2x power 0, that is 1. Any number power 0 is 1, multiplied by y power 5, so we end up getting y power 5. So these are the terms without coefficients. And now we can introduce our coefficients down here. Coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So we're going to multiply each term by the corresponding coefficient. So we're going to have 1 into 32x power 5 plus 5 into 16x power 4y plus 10 into 8x power 3y squared plus 10 into 4x power 2y power 3 plus 5 into 2x y power 4 plus 1 into y power 5. And if we open brackets, we're going to have 1 times 32, which is 32x power 5 plus 5 times 16 is 80. So that is going to give us 80x power 4y plus 10 times 8 is 80. So 80x power 3y power 2 plus 10 times 4 is 40. So that is 40x power 2 y power 3 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So that is 10x y power 4. And finally, 1 times y power 5 is y power 5. So this gives us the expansion of 2x plus y power 5. Now we want to use our expansion to solve or to evaluate 2.5 to the power of 5. Now, 2.5, we can write it as 2 plus 0.5 to the power of 5. And if we do that, then we can see that 2x corresponds to 2. Okay, so we can say that 2x is equal to 2, which means x is equal to 1. And of course, we can see that y is equal to 0.5. So to be able to evaluate 2.5 to the power of 5, we're going to have to replace these values in our expansion. Okay, so if we do that, we are now going to have 32 multiplied by x power 5, so that is 1 power 5, plus 80 multiplied by 1 power 4 multiplied by 0.5 plus 80 multiplied by 1 power 3 multiplied by 0.5 squared plus 40 multiplied by 1 squared multiplied by 0.5 power 3 plus 10 multiplied by 1 power 1, which is 1, multiplied by 0.5 power 4, and finally plus 0.5 power 5. Okay, so of course this will give us 32, because 1 to the power of any number is still 1. So this is 32 plus 80 into 0.5 plus 80 into 0.5 squared plus 40 into 0.5 cubed plus 10 into 0.5 power 4, and finally plus 0.5 power 5. And we can use our calculators now to evaluate this. And if you do, you'll get 97.65625. So that means 2.5 to the power of 5 is the same as 97.65625. So we've used Pascal's triangle to expand 2x plus y to the power of 5, and we've used that expansion to evaluate 2.5 to the power of 5. Thank you for watching.